How to make post private in Tumblr. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can make post private in Tumblr. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Tumblr account. Then on the left sidebar, you'll find the account option. If you tap on that, you can then head over to any blogs that you want. On your blogs, you can start creating a post. So I'll just create a post, and here I'll just type in anything. So I'll just type in test here, and let's go ahead and type test here as well. So let's say that this is my post. Now if I want to post it privately, here you'll see for everyone. So this is not what we want to head over to this post now drop down button, tap on it, and there you'll see an option that says post privately. Tap on that, and then simply hit post private button now, and with that you have just made your post private. As you can see, there is a private post uh, you know label here as well. And yeah, that's basically how you do this. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.